Listen closely, it felt like I just shattered the standard methods to make this amount of money in crypto. It was utterly wild. I felt like I accessed some unknown crypto trick or something. Curious about how I achieved that? Continue watching, because I'm about to expose all the private strategies I utilized. Seriously, I've legitimately lost track of how many meme coins I've aped into that completely tanked. Wasted so much of my time and just lost tokens all over the place like it was nothing. But since finding this specific tactic and putting it to work daily, my results have been insane. No cap. Right now, I'm pulling in 10 times the income I used to earn. The entire thing runs on the concept of repetition. That's the core principle I'm about to fully break down for you. Okay, I'm scheduled to unveil the full method to you in a little bit. But before we access all that valuable content, let's have a discussion concerning the process for actually getting this project launched. If you are thinking about utilizing Pump.Fun, just be advised that it involves some notable potential complications. This represents one of the initial vital matters we must solidify. Fire up Photon and select the DEX filter for Pump.Fun. You're going to see fresh meme tokens popping up pretty much every 60 seconds. The huge majority of these coins go live and then instantly crash hard in price. This is because Pump.Fun has made it unbelievably easy for anyone to launch, resulting in the whole platform being packed with a ton of low-quality junk. Now proceed to the DEX filter designated specifically for Radium and observe what is happening there. Only 18 tokens having launched across 20 minutes? That particular state of affairs is certainly by design, not chance. Examine this in detail. The liquidity is strongly protected, the price graphs look remarkably consistent, and the trading volume is rapidly ascending. The reason behind all these positive elements? Merely committed developers are given the permission to launch here. That is precisely the rationale for deciding upon this specific approach. Don't navigate away, as I am about to elucidate every single detail. Alright, check it. Launch Tool is completely transforming the game, making it unbelievable how simple it is for anyone, including people who aren't into tech, to launch their own crypto token on Radium. Honestly, you don't need to have any understanding of coding whatsoever. It's like you click a couple of buttons and then poof, your token is available. I've been fully committed to this trend, and seriously, the profits? They've been absolutely astounding. Just for your information, we are going to be using Canva as our tool for logo creation. You are welcome to look at what is currently popular or choose any image that appeals to you personally. For my part, I discovered this excellent logo with a very rapid image search online. I've been utilizing the KOLOBKI stickers on Telegram quite frequently recently. I find them rather amusing, so my coin will be based upon one of them. Yes, that is the trajectory we are following. Okay, now that you have Canva open, simply load your logo into the project, and you absolutely need to ensure it is precisely 128 by 128 pixels. Refine it a bit if you feel it needs any fine-tuning, and then you are ready to save the final version. That completes the entire logo task. It truly couldn't be easier. Okay, make your way back to launchtool.io and establish the connection with your Phantom wallet, just as you see me demonstrating on the screen here. When the platform requests the token information, be certain to enter KOLOBKI coin for the name and KC as the token symbol. You have the liberty to include a description if you wish, but I personally will be omitting one this time around. Subsequent to that, upload that great logo you assembled in Canva and click the next button to proceed to the subsequent step. If you happen to notice any figures with a decimal point or any amounts of crypto, whatever you do, don't change them at all. Keep them exactly in the condition they are when you observe them. Go ahead and hit that next button right after you complete that, and we'll be good to move forward to the next step. Just so you know, validating the creator is going to cost you 0.1 Solana. Whether or not that specific expense is acceptable to you is entirely your decision. I am keeping my Solana securely held. That asset is far too valuable to simply part with. Proceed now and click skip. There's no basis for squandering valuable minutes. About the social media links, feel totally free to toss in your Telegram channel or maybe a Discord server. Honestly, whichever you're vibing with is cool. It's a neat little extra thing to put in, but it ain't absolutely mandatory since Radium is going to automatically set up all the connection channels for you. Go ahead and tap that skip button, and let's keep this whole process moving along smooth. Focus your attention right here. Altering these security settings is completely prohibited, no exceptions. You might stand to save 0.3 Solana by deactivating them, but take my advice on this. You will most certainly fail to attract potential investors. Any trustworthy investor will verify if freezing and minting are locked. If that is not the case, you are effectively signaling that you are untrustworthy. My suggested course of action? Ensure those settings remain active and click that Launch My Token Now button with conviction. Hang on for a few moments. Now go ahead and confirm that transaction in your wallet. Just a tap on the screen. Give it a few seconds and then pop. Your token is officially active and ready for trading. Okay, so we just took a peek at our coin using that link to SolScan, and do you want to know what we found out? It's officially verified. It is completely functional and running without a hitch on the Solana blockchain. Now is the moment to get this token ready for action. Head back over to launchtool.io and go right ahead and click that button marked Create Liquidity Pool. Performing that specific action will automatically send you to Radium, which is the place we'll get the liquidity pool organized. Let's aim for some notable earnings. Listen up, time to advance this procedure by putting your meme token at the forefront. Grab that contract address from launchtool.io. Then copy and paste that data right into Radium. When it comes to the symbol, input KC, and the token name is KOLOBKI coin. Then just hit Add User Token to make it officially recognized. Now for that vital liquidity, if you created 1 billion tokens, ensure you deposit a considerable 900 million into the liquidity pool truly. And concerning the trading pair required, it is absolutely essential to use Solana. It's the principal asset on its network. You grasp the significance. Alright, as you are entering your Solana quantity, ensure you select the max option, and then just subtract 0.2 Solana from that resulting figure. That small fraction of Solana is designated to handle the transaction costs and provide us with some latitude. Establish the fee percentage at 2%. That numerical value is optimal for prompting investors to look into our token. This is the peak moment we've been setting up for. Go ahead and smash that Initialize Liquidity Pool button right now. Your wallet is going to need permission. This is the big deal transaction, guys. Just okay the transaction that appears and blast off. Your token is officially listed and ready for buying and selling. Get Photon running. Change the filter setting to Radium and prepare to see it. Your freshly launched MemeCoin will likely be right there in front of you. It should be quite noticeable. That site is your visual verification that it's officially active in the market and fully prepared for trading. Listen up, so now jump back to launchtool.io and make sure you've snagged the exact address for your coin, no cap. Now slide over to DexScreener, search for any random coin that pops up, and then you can either swap the address in the URL bar with yours or just search directly for your coin's name. And automatically your coin's chart will load up, looking perfect. Really easy to peep. Getting into the market at this early stage honestly means any move you perform just automatically brings more cash into your pocket, without really having to try. What's more, since you're among the first individuals involved, the thought of actually losing money right now seems almost ridiculous. Now you can just kick back and see your investment as it shoots straight up. Take a look at the charts. There's already some buying and selling occurring. This activity happening so early? It's most probably just automated trading performed by bots. Nothing especially vigorous at this moment. What I am truly keeping an eye out for is when a significant investor, known typically as a whale, begins a massive buying order. That specific event is the real indicator we are hoping to witness. Don't feel anxious about this for the moment, though. This is simply the conventional manner in which these kinds of projects start. Okay, everyone. Moments ago, a purchase was made for $75.50, equivalent to 0.49 Solana. This represents a favorable acquisition for our coin. As is visible, both the liquidity and market cap are showing an upward trend, which serves as positive indicators. Let's keep waiting for a bit more. Yo, a couple of minutes just passed, and a good purchase for $67, equivalent to 0.44 Solana, just happened. Liquidity and market cap numbers are holding steady. Let's just keep trusting how things are going. Alright, this is what we search for in this type of activity. Whales. Here, we received a large purchase amounting to $125, 0.8 Solana, coming in directly. The numbers remain good, but for this moment, it's time to conclude. We have completed the task we set out to accomplish. The very last step? Transporting your liquidity securely back into your wallet. Don't leave early. I'm about to show you precisely how that is carried out. Alright guys, first up, link your creator wallet to Radium. Easy peasy. Following that, click on Portfolio and navigate into that area. Select the standard option and your coins should be visible immediately. If they are not there instantly, no need to worry. Allow around 10 to 15 minutes, particularly if the liquidity was just created. Once it is visible, press the tiny minus button to withdraw everything. Pick Solana for the currency, approve the transaction, and just like that, you are good to go. You should be seeing it now. The confirmation message has shown up, meaning the liquidity is back in your possession. The last thing to do, head over to your wallet and take a look at the final totals there. Dude, I put in $135 and pulled out $268. Didn't even see it happen that quickly. No cap. This strategy's seriously delivering. With how the market's looking right now, it's the ideal situation if you're ready to make a move. This opportunity is gaining momentum rapidly, and I am being entirely transparent with you about that. Currently, there is a large amount of unexplored potential, and if you are paying attention, it could result in something quite substantial. And no, there is no promotional activity happening. I have no affiliations with Radium, Photon, or Launch Tool. If you are interested in exploring further or verifying the information, access that description. Everything is presented clearly there for you.